Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin. Now this year 2023, what's the difference between last year for Shibadoge and this year? Already this year Shibadoge is really doing great, and Shibadoge have now gained about $30 million market cap since the beginning of the year. That is amazing, right? Because Shibadoge has been trading between $4 and $6 million market cap for months since last year 2022. The only time Shibadoge was able to hit $16 million market cap was when Ethereum Wells actually invested about $7.2 million to $7.3 million on Shibadoge, and then Shibadoge became Ethereum Wells' highest small cap coin. Even Ethereum Wells invested more on Shibadoge than Shiba Inu. Then Shiba Inu was about $5.3 million. But today, one important thing you need to understand that happened that period was that later Ethereum Wells were able to they removed their money from Shibadoge. Shibadoge dropped back to about $6 million, and since then Shibadoge have been trading between $5.2 million and $6 million market cap, and now Shibadoge is now over $35 million market cap. Since the beginning of this year, Shibadoge has been increasing without going back to where it was, and I'm happy to see Shibadoge market cap approaching $40 million. That simply means this year is the right time for Shibadoge. This is the year I believe Shibadoge is going to make a difference. But remember, if you're buying Shibadoge, you need to buy what you can afford to lose, because here we don't encourage you to invest what you can afford to lose. And remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision. Now Shibadoge is one of the coins that even if you invest $10, $20, a little money, little capital on, you might be able to make over $1,000, $10,000 or even $1 million in future. That is to say, if Shibadoge is able to delete some zeros, because right now Shibadoge have over 16 zeros. As a price, Shibadoge is trading with about 16 zeros. So I imagine Shibadoge deleting between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. That is going to be a huge profit for Shibadoge holders. I'm hoping to see Shibadoge continue the way they actually started the year 2023. I hope to see them continue this way, because Shibadoge is going to really increase in price. Let's hope for the best to come. Let's hope to see Shibadoge at the top. I hope to see Shibadoge keep pumping, keep increasing in price before the end of the year.